Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Thunderous Thursday. We'll go with that. Last night, I had a lot of fun doing this dish. Of course, I added some stuff. I even added a full step. Last night, I prepared Southwestern stuffed sweet taters. As you know, I'm a big lover of red sweet potatoes. So I saw this. I'm like, gotta have it. Because I wanted something different than I normally do with baked potatoes and baked sweet potatoes. So this was fun. All the notes are in the recipe. I put them in last night when I was doing my evening stuff. But it's really good. I only gave it a 4 because it's not a meal. It's a good comfort meal. But it was fun. I really enjoyed it. I will do that again, and I will probably play with it some more. Tonight, this is actually one of my things I came up with. I have so much shrimp. You're going to be seeing a lot of shrimp dishes over the next, this week and next week. But I know where to get it cheap. Tonight is spicy shrimp tacos with one of my favorite slaws, the Cilantro Lime Slaw. Yes, I borrowed this from another recipe because it's one of my favorites. Because it's simple, but it's got a lot of oomph to it. It's got a nice little punch. So let's get to it. Super simple dinner tonight. Just a saute pan for the shrimp. These are 4150 shrimps. Basically, they're already deveined. These actually, just so you know, are a Rayleigh's brand. I have 3 brands in my freezer. But these I like the Rayleigh's brand. I'm actually going to be cooking these up or sauteing these up in some ghee, some garlic, a little bit of red onion. I'm going to be using my fajita seasoning. I have so many to choose from, but I'm going with the fajita, and I'll probably add some arbol chili powder to give it a little more kick. So that's all the shrimp stuff. I might add some stuff to it later. I don't know yet. I'm still playing with it. For the slaw, I'm using just a regular coleslaw mix because they were out of. There's actually a finer cut, which they were out of when I went to Winco. There's cilantro. You got to have cilantro for a cilantro slaw. So a little bit of mayo, some lime juice, some honey, and I'll be using good old big old flour tortillas because it's what I have on hand. So here's all the goodies for tonight's spicy shrimp tacos with the slaw. Yesterday I announced my plans for my 2025 and 2026 culinary year. Yes, I have a culinary year. It starts May 1st. Wow. I've been working on this for several months, doing research and so forth. I'm going to be preparing dishes from over 100 different countries, from basically all 8 major regions in the globe. I want to have fun with this. So if you have any suggestions or have recipes from different parts of the world, share them with me. I would be happy to prepare them. We know that I can do Chinese. We know I can do Thai. We know I can do Indian. I can do all kinds of American. Blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to expand, and I've done a lot of stuff from Africa, the African region. But I haven't done really anything from South America or actually Central America other than Mexico. But I'm talking, I'm already looking at recipes for the Bahamas, Cambodia, and so forth. Yeah. So I'm rambling. On this thunderous Thursday, share those recipes with me or share the ideas. All right? On this Thursday, Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.